Students, in exercise 5.3, the next problem is 5. In this question, what we have here, the first term a is 5. The last term, which means nth term or L, 45. And sum of n term Sn is 400. We have to find out the number of terms, that is n, and common difference d. Two things we have to find out. First, Sn's formula according to last term. Since we know that n by 2 bracket a plus n, which is already given 400, we are putting the formula of Sn here. Now the value of n calculate करनी. Value of a is 5, दे रखी, already given, and last term value 45, it is also already given. So substitute these two values a and L here, and as it is, there is no change in it. The value of a is 5 plus 45, which is equals to 400. So n by 2 into 50 is equals to 400. 2 cancel this 50 25 times, and now divide 25 in 400. So n is 400 by 25, which means 16. So the first answer we get here, the value of number of terms in that AP is 16. And now to calculate the common difference d value, since a plus n minus 1 into d, we know the nth term formula is this one. A is 5, n is 16, d we have to calculate, and an the last value 45. Shifting 5 in LHS side, 45 minus 5, 15 into d. 45 minus 5, minus 5, 40 is equals to 15 in divide and d. So 40 upon 50, cancelling with 5, 8 by 3 d. So these are the two answers. N is 16 and d is 8 by 3. Now we are discussing the ninth problem of this exercise. In this problem, we have the sum of 7 terms is 49 and sum of 17 terms is 289. According to formula, sum of 7 terms given by 7 by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1, that is 7 minus 1, 6, 49. Taking 2 as a common in these two terms, 7 by 2 into 2, inside the bracket a plus 3d and 49. This 2 cancel with this 2 and 7 divide 49 7 times. So a plus 3d is 7 here, the first equation. Applying the same pattern here, 17 by 2, inside the bracket we have 2a plus 16d is equals to 289. Taking 2 as a common, 17 by 2 into 2 bracket a plus 8d is 289. Cancel this 2 and 17 divides 289 17 times. So a plus 8d is equals to 17, the second equation. Now we have these two equations. By applying elimination method, we will get the value of first term and common difference. A plus 8d is 17, and writing the second equation downwards here. Now change the sign. Minus, minus, minus. These two A are cancelled because this one positive, this one negative. And plus 8 minus 3, 5D. 17 minus 7, 10. So D becomes 2. 5 divides 10 2 times. Putting this value in this second equation. D equals to 2, putting in equation 2. A plus 8 into 2 equals to 17. 8 to the 16, shifting in other side. So A becomes 17 minus 16, which is 1. So the value of first term is 1. Value of common difference is 2. Now we have to calculate the sum of n terms. Since Sn is given by n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Putting the value of a and d here. N by 2 bracket 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. So n by 2 is as it is 2 plus 2n minus 2. So cancel this 2 with this 2. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. Rest value is 2n. So n by 2 into 2n. And now cancel this 2 with this 2. N into n is square. Answer. So the sum is n square. Now in 14th problem, total number are given 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 50, 0 to 50. But we have to find out the sum of odd numbers between 0 to 50. And the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 49. So the difference between two consecutive terms is 2 because these are odd numbers. The first term is 1, last term is 49 and number of terms are 25. A is 1, D is 2, common difference 3 minus 1, 2. And number of terms 25 because 0 to 50 half are even numbers, half are odd numbers. So 25 is number of terms. Sn is given by n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values n 25 by 2, 2 into 1 plus 25 minus 1 into d. That is also 2. So 25 by 2 into, taking 2 as a common, inside 1 plus 24. So 2 cancel with this 2. 25 into 25, 625 is the answer. So it is the sum of odd numbers lying between 0 to 50. In 17th question, in a school, classes are start from 1, 2, 3 up to 12. And every class has 3 sections. जैसे फर्स्ट क्लास है तो फर्स्ट ए बी सी, सेकंड के लिए भी सेकंड ए, सेकंड बी, सेकंड सी, ट्वेल्थ के लिए भी ट्वेल्थ ए, ट्वेल्थ बी, ट्वेल्थ सी, लाइक दिस. Every class has 3 sections. So each section going to plantation and जो उसका नंबर है क्लास का वो उतने ही ट्री को प्लांट करेगी. जैसे आप 10th में हैं तो आपका सेक्शन 10 ट्री को या प्लांट को प्लांटेशन करेगा, पौधे लगाएगा. लेकिन हर के कितने सेक्शन है? 3. तो 10th क्लास वाले 30 लगाएंगे. जैसे 10A वाले भी 10 लगाएंगे, 10B वाले भी 10 लगाएंगे, 10C वाले भी 10 लगाएंगे, तो टोटल हो गए 30. तो इन सभी नंबर्स को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज प्लांटेशन बाय ईच क्लास. सो 1 के 3, देन 6, देन 9, up to 30, 33 and 36. So we have an AP in which the first term is 3, common difference is also 3, last term is 36 and number of terms are 12. A is 3, last term is 36 and number of terms are 12. So Sn, sum of n terms, n by 2 bracket a plus n. Substitute the values here, n 12 by 2, a 3 and the last term is 36. So 12 by 2, 6, 36 plus 3, 39. 39 into 6, 234. So total plantations are 234. This is the 17th problem. In 18th problem, a spiral is made of successive semicircles. First semicircle's radius. We are putting the compass here A and pencil at B and taking the radius 0.5 centimeter and draw a semicircle like this. So the radius of first semicircle 0.5 centimeter. Now we have here the point C. And now put the compass at B point and take the radius BC. So AB is 0.5 and AC is also 0.5. The total distance B to C is 1 centimeter. That's why the second radius of the semicircle, this one, is 1 centimeter. This one is the 1 centimeter. So R2 is 1 centimeter. Now again we are going to put the compass at this point A and pencil at D. Since BD distance is 1 centimeter, so from A to D, 1.5 centimeter is the radius. So third radius is 1.5 centimeter. According to the same pattern, if we draw 13 semicircles here, then the radius of 13th semicircle is 6.5 centimeter. As you saw here, 1 है तो उसका हाफ है 0.5, 2 है तो उसका हाफ 1, 3 है तो 1.5. तो 13th जो सेमीसर्कल होगा लास्ट वाला, उसकी रेडियस हो जाएगी 6.5. And now we are going to find out the sum of all the circumferences of these 13 semicircles. Sum of circumferences of 13 semicircles. ये जो 13 सेमीसर्कल बनेंगे उनकी सबके सर्कमफ्रेंस का सम निकालना है. C1 प्लस C2 प्लस C3 से लेकर C13 तक. So how many terms are here? 30. सेमी सर्कल की सर्कमफ्रेंस है, पूरा सर्कल होता है 2 पाई आर, तो हाफ ऑफ द सर्कल हो जाएगा पाई आर. सो पाई R1 प्लस पाई R2 प्लस पाई R3 up to pi R13. Taking pi as a common, inside R1 that is 0.5, R2 1.0, R3 1.5 up to 6.5. The value of pi is 22 by 7. We know that. This is an AP in which first term is 0.5, last term is 6.5 and the number of terms are 13 because there are 13 semicircles. So according to the formula n by 2, which means 13 by 2, inside the bracket a plus l, a first term plus l last term, 6.5. Now 6.5 plus 0.5, 7 into 13 by 2 into 22 by 7. Right here. 22 by 7 into 13 by 2 into 7. आइए कैंसिल कर लेते. 7 cancel with 7, 2 cancel 22 11 times and 13 11 jab 143 centimeter. Answer. So the total sum of the 13 semicircle circumference is 143 centimeter.